Farmer becomes Manchester's third murder victim for 2024. Cops shot two, one fatally, during reported break-in downtown. Massive probe underway as plane crashes in St. Elizabeth. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Manchester police are probing the parish's third murder since the start of the year. This after a farmer was shot and killed by gunmen at a bar in Porus in the parish on Friday night. The deceased is O'Neill Henry, alias Pasha, of Top Coffee Grove district in the parish. Police reports are that about 9:30 p.m. on Friday, Henry and other persons were at a bar when gunmen approached and opened fire before escaping. When the shooting subsided, Henry was found suffering from gunshot wounds. He succumbed to his injuries at the scene. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. Two men were shot by the police, one fatally, on Sunday morning in the Market District of downtown Kingston after they were reportedly caught by the police breaking into a business establishment. According to the Kingston Central Police Superintendent Beresford Williams, the police were alerted to a break-in on Beckford Street, and on their arrival, they were fired up by men in the area. The law enforcers reportedly returned the fire, and at the end of the shooting, two men were seen suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where one of the men was pronounced dead and the other was admitted for treatment under police guard. A firearm and ammunition, along with some stolen items, were recovered at the scene, the police reported. The police say they are following several theories regarding a small airplane that crashed in a section of Elim in northeast St. Elizabeth on Friday night. The police report that sometime after 7 p.m., local authorities received reports of the incident and went to the location. A search was carried out and the wreckage of the two-engine plane was found. No person was found or any other items except for the burnt remains of the plane were found, the police reported.